You heard prior testimony that you don't go around looking for hogs in the daytime because they're nocturnal from the defendant, did you not? Are you familiar that that was what was said?
Objection, Your Honor, if it's based on what he's heard or seen. I mean, is this a comment made to him, or if we're going to delve into the appropriate way to hunt hogs day or night? I mean, this is not proper reply. I object.
Objection's overruled.
All right. You want me to?
Yeah, if you don't mind asking a question again.
Sure. All right. The first question is, have you gone riding around the property with your property or the Moselle property with Paul before?
I have.
All right. And what, if anything, would y'all carry when you would go riding the property?
I believe the only time I rode with Paul was would have been looking for hogs, and then more so on my property.
All right. And what, if anything, would you carry when y'all were looking for hogs?
Objection, Your Honor. Riding with Paul on his property, not Moselle.
Objection's overruled.
Well, people who have hogs on their property, as a general rule, you would always take a rifle with you, be it day or night, because you never know when you're going to see hogs, and because they are such a nuisance, as I spoke to earlier in my testimony, you always want to be prepared to shoot them. So you would generally have some type of rifle and we with you, a long gun.
Objection, Your Honor. He's giving an opinion. He's not been qualified as an expert.
Objection's overruled.
All right. You've had plenty of experience in killing hogs on your property?
Yes, I would disagree with Mr. Harpootli, and I am pretty much an expert about killing hogs.
All right. And you've had plenty of opportunity to go hunting with Paul?
Objection, Your Honor. I apologize to the witness.
And you've had plenty of opportunity to go hunting with Paul or have him hunt on your property?
Yeah, yes, I've been with him, and he's been on my property many more times. I didn't go with him every time he was on my property, but that's the general rule, that you would have a rifle of some sort. Paul, as this jury's been told over and over, was fond of that 300 Blackout. I've been with him while he had it. I usually use some other type of AR-framed gun to shoot hogs.
A 223?
Well, 223 or a 6.5 Creedmoor, which is on a AR-10 frame.
Is it common, though, to carry your rifle and look for hogs in the daytime and to see hogs in the daytime?
Yes. You don't always see them. Sometimes night's better if you're using a night vision scope, but I've killed hundreds of hogs in the daytime riding. It's just something, because there's such a nuisance in the low country and really across the state right now and across the South, that we have a rule that you don't ride the property without a rifle, because you want to try to eliminate as many hogs as you can, and we also trap them.
To your observation, did Alec have a good relationship with the local law enforcement community?
My observation was Alex had a very good relationship with, probably better than the rest of us, saving his father.
Did you on multiple occasions go over in great detail Alex's original story as to what he did on the night of the murders?
On more than one occasion, we discussed his story, as I testified to, I don't know how many weeks ago that was, but it was a while.
And